Hello and welcome to First Position Play Along number 4. Today we'll be learning the song Geepers. This video will not only teach you how to play the song, but teach you how to practice any song. We'll start by listening to the full song. Then we'll break the song into chunks to practice, and then there will be a practice tip section for some extra help. For about 10 to 15 minutes a day, alternate between the listening, chunking, and practice tip sections of the video until you can play each chunk 3 times in a row with a steady, clear sound. Once you can do that, you'll be ready to perform the full song at the end of the video with the backup band. Here's the song we're learning, Geepers. It introduces a new note in 4th position called G. You've likely already been playing this note in your fundamentals videos, so listen and watch carefully for this new note, no playing yet. Now let's break our song into chunks. Here's chunk 1. Now let's sing and slide that together 3 times, starting with our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4. Second time now. Ready, sing. 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4. Now we'll sing it one more time, this time saying our note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. E flat, F, G, E flat, D, G, D. Now let's play that together 3 times. Take that O breath in. 1, 2, ready. Second time now, ready. Third time, remember to use that big fast air to get up to those G's. 1, 2, O breath. Now here's chunk 2. Listen closely. We'll sing and slide that together 3 times, starting with position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 6, 4, 3, 1, 4. Second time now, ready, sing. 6, 4, 3, 1, 4. Third time now on our note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. C, D, E flat, F, G. Now we'll play that together 3 times. Again, use that fast air to get up to the G to play it with a big sound. 1, 2, O breath. Second time now, O breath. Third time now, deep breath. Now let's put chunks 1 and 2 together, singing and sliding on our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4. 6, 4, 3, 1, 4. Now we'll play it. Take that O breath in. Take as many deep breaths as you need to make sure that those G's come out with a big, clear sound. 1, 2, ready. Listen carefully if it's the same, similar, or different to something you've heard before. What did you hear? Same, similar, or different? It is exactly the same as chunk 1. So let's review it by singing and sliding, this time on note names, starting with our E flat in third. 1, 2, ready, sing. E flat, F, G, E flat, D, G, D. Now let's play that together. 1, 2, O breath. And finally, we're at chunk 4. Again, listen closely if it's the same, similar, or different to something you've heard before. What did you hear? Same, similar, or different? It's pretty similar to chunk 2. Instead of starting low and going up, it starts on that high G and goes down. So let's practice this together by singing and sliding, starting with our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 4, 1, 3, 4, 3. Second time now, ready, sing. 4, 1, 3, 4, 3. And third time now on our note names, starting with G in fourth. 1, 2, ready, sing. G, F, E flat, D, E flat. Now let's play that together. Take that deep O breath in and send that fast air to play that G with a nice clear sound, no pinch. 1, 2, O breath. Second time now, O breath. And third time now, O breath. Let's put chunks 3 and 4 together, starting with singing it on our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 3, 4, 3. Let's play that together. Again, take those deep O breaths and send that fast air to play those Gs. 1, 2, ready. Now you know the whole song. Feel free to go back and repeat those sections as needed, or go ahead to the practice tips for some extra help. As we learned at the beginning, this song introduces a new note, G, in fourth position. There are many ways we can practice higher notes, including something you may do every day in our fundamental videos, lip slurs. Chunk 1 has the chance for a lip slur. So, if you're having problems with that part, go ahead and change it to a lip slur. Another way I practice high notes is to gliss up to them. When I gliss, I take away my tongue, which means that I can just focus on having fast air up to that note. This is what that would look like with chunk 1. Let's try this together. 1, 2, breathe. If you're still having problems with that higher note, another thing we can do is to make the highest note the loudest. If I make it louder, that will tell my body that I need more, faster air. This is what that would sound like. Let's try that together. 1, 2, breathe. And now let's try the same thing with chunk 2. Starting in 6th position, glissing all the way up and getting the loudest at our last note, the G. Let's try that together. 1, 2, breathe. Once the high note comes out with a strong, clear sound and no pinch, try adding your tongue back in and playing it normal. Still think about having that fast air and even making the highest note a little bit louder to make the high note easier when you're playing with your tongue. Now that you've practiced each chunk, let's play the whole song together. If you played along with me in rhythm with a clear sound and snappy slide, now you get to play with the backup band. There will be reminders on the screen, but now it's time to show what you know. Great job learning our fourth song, Geepers. Once you can play Geepers 3 times in a row with a confident, clear sound, then you'll be ready to move on to the next song. If you can already read sheet music, there is sheet music in the description below to use, or you can try reading the sheet music now that you know how the song goes. Keep up the great practice, and I'll see you in the next video.